Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or should I say, the beginning of something new.
Oh my god!
Okay. That was dramatic, but seriously, I've got some updates that I think you're gonna love. Stick around or I'll make your scripts crash with one single button press. So first of all, we have them. Okay, so first things first, I'm changing the channel name. We've been Arctify tutorials for a while now, and while I love making tutorials on Roblox Studios, and don't worry, those are not going anywhere, I want this channel to be more than just tutorials. From now on, we will just be Arctify. Clean and simple. But yeah, expect tutorials and more stuff like devlog challenges and maybe even hosting some game jams where we can all develop together. Speaking of suffering together, join the Arctify Discord server. It's a super fun community where you can talk about your games, get feedback, show off your work, or just even chill a bit, you know? And while you're at it, join my Roblox group, link in the description. Thank you very much. Okay, so real talk, I also want to level up the quality of this channel. I've read your comments and I know I can improve. So from now on, I'm focusing on better editing, clear scripting explanations, also on-screen visuals and more examples. Because we all know learning scripting can sometimes be a pain in the ass. And of course, I also want to say thank you to all of you. The recent support on my channel has been a great motivator to keep my channel going. So finally as well, make sure to like and subscribe, of course. I always have to do this, and I will see you in the next video.